I'm Floria Sigismundi, the director for Rihanna's new video, Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer is about breaking down walls. It's a standalone piece with really strong ties to Star Trek Beyond. This is the first music video you'll see in IMAX.
I'm bracing for the pain and I am letting
Star Trek and Rihanna with IMAX. The quality that you're gonna see is gonna be incredible. The idea of taking it somewhere that had this otherworldly landscape
I hit a wall.
and using elements from the film like the swarm ships and floating rocks were a perfect combination. It's her own character that she embodies and becomes quite powerful.
I love Star Trek. It's been a part of me since my childhood. This song is about being stuck and finding the strength to get past that. It needed to be impactful, very emotional,
I hit a wall.
dramatic, and haunting at the same time.
You're just in
The film and the song fit beautifully together. I think people will be surprised with her transformation. Keep it going, keep it going. Beautiful.
You're just another break in